Assume that GE deposits $1,500,000 into the Ohio River Bank at the beginning of 2015 as a commitment toward building a new manufacturing plant to be completed December 31st, 2019. How much will the company have on deposit at the end of 5 years if interest is 8.5% compounded semi-annually? With a known present value of $1,500,000, a total of 10 compounding periods, and an interest rate of 4.25% per compounding period, what is the future value? First, plug in the known values into the appropriate cells. The present value, PV, is $1,500,000. The interest rate, is 8.5% divided by 2, or 4.25%. The number of periods, N per, is 10, or 2 times 5. The unknown, future value, is determined by going to the Formulas tab, look for FV, the function wizard pops up. Select PV, select rate, select N per. Review this screenshot for the proper settings. Hit OK. The future value is $2,274,322.